It was excellent. Everybody from the onset, everybody kept me informed. I didn't have to keep calling and ask questions like most people do when they do business. So Kimberly, I think, was the one that she kept calling, let me know when the permit, the status of the permit, and then the day they were coming. And I was quite impressed with the installation crew as well. They were awesome. As much as there's still dust in the house, but they were very conscientious about keeping the dust out and not messing with things. They covered everything, which I didn't expect. So the installation crew was outstanding, and they did it all in one day. So the one thing that impressed me, everything they said at the beginning, you guys, as far as credit, has kept their word, and that's impressive in today's market, in any market. So I was really impressed, and I love the windows. I already told several people about it, and I obviously have the sign out there that you guys are making me keep out there for like 20 years, but it's still out there, and so hopefully they'll be calling you, or at least setting up an appointment, because you'll be sold, and they're happy too, right, Paco? Yeah.